Hey, good morning. Just wanted to stop in here real quick and touch on the newest listing that I brought to market or brought to investors a couple of weeks ago. The owners have stressed their motivation and shifted gears to expedite things. So they've asked if I would do a call for offers and actually have all offers in by Tuesday, June 7th of next week. So today being the 4th on Saturday, I figured I'd put out this little courtesy video, although I have been sending some email blasts out to the database and making sure that this did get in front of you. But if you have any questions or interest, I'll be available this weekend and on Monday and even on Tuesday. Feel free to call me at 941-961-8199, or you can email me at tritonCre@gmail.com. And I certainly look forward to hearing from you, and make it a great day.